Okay guys, this is going to be the last video. This will cover all the 7 problems that we were starting in class today. So here we go. So on this one, notice that they're both equal to y. Right? And logically, if both expressions are equal to y, they equal each other. So I'm just going to take negative 5x minus 14, set it equal to negative 3x minus 6. And now all I have to do is solve it. So I'm just going to go ahead and add 3x to both sides. So as you can see, I'll have negative 2x minus 14 equals negative 6. And now all I have to do is add 14 to both sides. So negative 2x will equal 8. And once I divide by negative 2, I know x is negative 4. So now what do? That's right, we're going to plug in. Now I'm just going to pick the second one because it has a little bit smaller numbers. You could obviously pick the first one. So plugging in x, I know y is going to equal negative 3. X we now know is negative 4 minus 6. Negative 3 times 4 is positive 12, minus 6 is 6. So my final answer, x negative 4, y 6. Pause the video if you need to. Now guys, notice that if we look at the graph of both lines, they're not quite parallel to each other. They have different slopes, right? But the key thing is they cross at negative 4, 6. Which is exactly what we got right here again. Okay, one more problem, number 7. So, again, this is our last problem. Had to get away there, too much distraction. Sorry about that, guys. So anyways, what are we going to do on this one? Well, notice how the first equation is y equals, similar to the one we did here, right? But only one of them is y equals. Well, no big deal. Whenever you have y equals or x equals, guys, you know you can use substitution method, right? That's the giveaway. So since y equals at 2x minus 10, I'm going to plug it right in there for the other y. Let's see what we get here. I get 8x. Again, that comes from there. I have a plus. And then for 8y, I'm going to have 8 times the 2x minus 10 because I put the 2x minus 10, which equaled the y, in for the other y. And I have an equals there, and then of course a negative 8. So see how I literally took one equation, follow the red, and plugged it into the other equation. That again is called substitution. So now it's just a matter of doing some math here. I have 8x, distributive property, 8 times 2, 16x, 8 times negative 10, negative 80, equals negative 8. We have some x terms that we can combine together. 24x minus 80 equals negative 8. Now I'm going to add 80 to both sides. Plus 80 both sides. 80 minus 80 is 0. I now have 24x equal to 72. 80 minus 8 is 72. Now, dividing by 24. And guys, remember with the larger numbers and stuff, please use your calculator if you need to, okay? And notice I'll end up with x equal to 3. 72 divided by 24 is 3. Now what do? That's right, I'm going to plug it back in. Now I'm going to use the first equation, guys, because it's already y equals. Okay, so I have y equals 2. X we now know is 3 minus 10. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 10 is negative 4. So my final answer is x3, y negative 4. Pause the video if you need to. Now guys, again, one more time, please remember all of this algebra is for what purpose? If we look at the graph, we can see how both lines are crossing. They only cross at one point. We call that the intersection. And as you can see, where do they intersect? 3, -4, which is exactly what we got there. So guys, hopefully these videos help you, and know that they're always there for you to watch in the future as well. I'll see you on class actually in a couple days. Until then, bye.